Hi guys, this is Debbie from Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and I'm just going to share a little more happy mail with you today. Got 3 new cards that I just got in and just wanted to share those with you. First one is from Tammy. This one is from, the group is Card Conga, and this is the A to Z swap. The letter C. She did these cute little chicks. It looks like those are colored in with alcohol markers. I like the wonky stitch die, so that looks really cute. The second one is from, this one is from Nella, and it was a sketch card diagram that we were doing, so that looks really cute with that little bear. Thank you so much for that, Nella. And then the third one is from Maria, and this one is in bouquet, B-O-K-E-H. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, correct, but that's that technique card. This is a really cool idea, and I am planning on working on some of those today, so those will be going out for you shortly. Thank you so much, guys. These are real nice. I like those. I am going to be cutting back on the number of videos I'm doing for the swaps. I've been out of work sick, and hopefully we've got everything sorted, so I'll be getting back to work, so I won't have as much time for crafting as I would like. But these will be, I'll still be sharing the videos to let you guys see what I get. And I'm also planning on doing some videos just showing the process and how I'm making some stuff. So those will be coming up. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe so you can see those new videos as they come up. And as always, happy crafting!